Hello and welcome back. Thank you so much for joining in. Today we take a look at Bitcoin. If you're new to my channel, this is joinandcoin, bringing you daily crypto news and analysis. So after weeks in this choppy sideways action in this channel, we finally broke to the downside today. At the moment, we have to wait and see if this is a fake out. Definitely, we have some bearish momentum at the moment, so we could expect more downside. On the daily chart, I'm expecting the RSI to at least test here this lower end of this support line and maybe come also more to the downside and maybe come here also to the oversold conditions. Right, so the trend is your friend until the end. And where would be our targets if we get a breakout here of this very important zone? This looks like very much a bear flag for me at the moment. So the targets would be around the 23,000 US dollar area. And also, if we take a look at this price action here, which looks very similar to what we are doing now, you can see where is our target of, if we repeat this, it's exactly in this area of 22,000 to 23,000, right? And on the MACD, I think it is also most likely that we will come to test this trend line. You can see we already have a shift, so we will get some bearish momentum in the coming days. At least I think that we will come to this trend line at the moment. So on the weekly chart, if this is true, and this is a bear flag, also if this is true that we are repeating something what we did here, then we know that Bitcoin in bear trends like to come to the 200 weekly SMA, and therefore look where this would be. It's exactly in this area. I think it's very interesting to see because yeah, here in December 18 and also in the COVID crash, we came down to the 200 SMA. So if we will come down in this area in the next week or two, it's highly likely that this will be our bottoming process. And I would expect some strong bullish reaction in this price area. Finally, let's take a look at the DXY. So after the DXY was building this double bottom, we had this huge rise. You have some kind of a rising phase, then some kind of sideways action, then to finally at the end go parabolic. So this is exactly what we see. This is very common in bullish cycles. So finally, this is our parabolic run on the DXY, and the DXY found support here on this rising trend line, broke to the downside, was building a rising wedge. And if you follow my channel, I was telling you that I'm expecting a break to the upside from this rising wedge. And the DXY found also support on the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Also the MACD, bullish momentum at the moment. And we can also see this on the RSI. So this line, which acted as support, is now acting as a resistance. We will see on Monday how the DXY will react in this area. So bottom line, as the DXY is rising, we can still expect lower prices in Bitcoin. I would say this would be most likely in the next week or two. And I'm also expecting a bottoming process in Bitcoin. All right, this is it for me. If you like my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and also hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. I wish you all a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.